Hello guys, this is Web by Y and today I will tell everything you need to know about HTML. So without wasting time, let's get to the point. So first question is, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. Like we use different languages for conversation, just like that, HTML is used to create web page. Means that a web page listens to this language. It is used to create electronic documents which are also known as pages. It's one type of programming. Hypertext means a text which contains link to other one. So by whom was HTML created? HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. He was a physicist at the CERN Research Institute in Switzerland. So why was HTML created? Before HTML was not invented, there was another language named HTML, which stands for Standard Generalized Markup Language. It was a complicated set of rules that defined document structures. In simple language, HTML was created to create document more easily. There are three types of HTML. Let's see which three types are there. So first is transitional, second one is strict, and the last one is frame set. Where the transitional type of HTML is most common, it's version 4.01. There are some pros about HTML. The first pro about HTML is it is very easy to understand and it is free of cost. And it's very easy to use and supported by all browsers. And it is also supported by most of the development tools. If we have talked about the pros of that, then let us also know some cons. So cons about HTML is here. It takes lot of time to create a web page. We have to edit all the pages separately. Means we can't edit all pages at a time. If we want to create a simple looking web page, you have to code long. And the security features are not so good. It is a bit tougher to create web page in HTML. Then why should we learn HTML? A web page can contain such things like image, paragraph, heading, clip, video and much more. The developer use HTML elements to specify that item. For an example, you want to write a paragraph in a web. You have to specify that paragraph by typing in p tag. So HTML is very important language to know about. You must have a little bit knowledge about HTML. At the end, HTML is like a structure of building. Here is the basic structure of HTML. First, there will be doc type HTML, which is not case sensitive. Then there is HTML tag. Do not forget to close all tags with slash. Tags like head and body will be stored in HTML tag. Then there's head tag. Title of web page and link to other file will be stored here. And the last one and most important tag is body. All attributes and values of web page will be stored here. As per his name, it is the body of our web page. That's it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe Web by Y and hit the thumb button. I will upload all attributes and tags related video as soon as possible. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.